Detective,
Doctor,
is the prince not coming?
just go ahead. I'm working for him. Whatever information you pass to me will get to him. That's why I'm here. So what do you have?
Alright. Here is the autopsy on the late king in Kinga's body.
Okay.
After proper examination, observation and test, we realized that there is nothing unusual found in the king's body rather than the BSF, which states that the king's death was caused because of the fall.
Okay. What's BSF if I may ask?
That's the basilar skull fracture. It's a break in the bone right in the skull, and it causes severe bleeding and brain damage, and it affected the vital parts of the brainstem, and if it's not treated immediately, it causes death, which is the case of the king.
Was there any kind of underlying ailments before his death?
Yes, the king was hypertensive, but his blood pressure was almost coming down to normal before his death.
See. Could it be said that is the reason for his death?
Maybe, but that wasn't much of an impact. He was doing perfectly fine before his death. Like I said before, the real cause of his death is the basilar skull fracture.
See. Alright, officer. Thank you very much. I'll get in touch with you when I need any other information.
Alright, detective.
I know the death of your father hits you hard. So hard. Even harder than every other person in this kingdom, including me. It's understandable. Please, I'm begging you. Forget about all this. Let's move forward. The autopsy detected nothing unusual was found in his body. That should tell you it was just an accident.
What about the oil found on his bathroom floor? Isn't that unusual?
It is. But then again, what if that oil was from your father?
Oh, come on. How can you say a thing like that? You don't expect Dad to put oil on the floor when he knows how slippery it can be.
I wish your father was here to answer this question. Unfortunately. Son, listen. I'm not saying it's completely impossible. But all I'm saying is, does it make any sense? It doesn't. He didn't offend anybody.
Mom, you and I know how desperate the Ono is about the throne. I'm sure my father mentioned that to you.
Of course I'm aware. Which is why I'm here. To tell you, please. Hey, son. I need you to calm down. I need us to move ahead. I need you to start planning for your father's funeral. And also making preparation to ascend the throne to become the heir. The odds are not in your favor as it stands.
And by that you mean the Ono, right?
Yes, but not completely about him. It's about the laws of the land. Remember, the day you returned was the day we lost your father. And that has put your ascension to the throne in jeopardy.
So what do we do?
I'm really not sure, honestly. But I think I have an idea.
Yeah. What's that?
I think we should consult Ichiaga. Remember, he was your father's ally.
Alright then, send for him.
I will. In fact, I'll do that right away. But please do me a favor. I need you to rest. You need it. Stop thinking. Okay? All right.
Who says love isn't a beautiful thing? It's indeed a melody that resonates deep down the soul. God, we know.
What exactly are you talking about, and who is in love?
How many are we here? It's you, of course.
Me? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, you do. You need to see how your face was glowing. And I know you're thinking about the prince.
About the prince?
Wait, though. You think I don't know? I used to see the chemistry growing between you two. And I think the prince loves you.
Well, I still don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know. Okay.
The chances are slim, very slim. Almost like no chances at all.
Ichi, are you saying that nothing can be done about this?
Lolo, I don't know. I honestly don't know. You have a very big fight in your hands now.
Iche, something has to be done. Something must be done. You see, if I had the power to make a choice, I'd walk away from the throne. Yes, I would. But my father's spirit would be mad at me because I remember he always reminded me about the dangers of my delayed return to the palace. I have to protect the throne, so something has to be done.
Ichi, I understand how difficult things can be when it, gets into the hands of a very greedy man, who desperately wants to sit on the throne that doesn't belong to him. And I'm certain, Ichi, something has to be done about this.
For now, I can't think of any possible way out. My prince, what about the investigation? Any progress?
Nothing for now, but investigation is ongoing. That reminds me. Uche.
My prince.
What if, at the tail end of the investigation, it is proven that Ono is behind my father's death?
Well, then we'll have to fall back to the original state. That could be your best option of becoming the next hero of this community. But for now, I'll have to talk to my fellow Ichis and I'll get back to you.
All right, Ichi.
The quest for revenge is consuming you. What do you seek? What do you want? Your heart is heavy, unforgiveness in you. You cannot sleep, you cannot rest. Don't you know that this quest is so dangerous? So many has come and gone. Don't you know that this quest is so dangerous? But you won't give up. Oh no, no, no. Oh, you should let go. Justice will come for you.
Greetings, my prince. You sent for me.
Sit down.
Apologies, my prince. I will rather stand.
I wanted to apologize for last night. Or yesterday.
There is no need for that, my prince. The message was clear and well understood.
Hey, I didn't mean to hurt you, okay? I apologize, I'm sorry.
Like I said, there is no need for that. After all, I am just a mere servant. A single mother who does not deserve to be loved by a man of your status. I am not offended, honestly I am not.
You're more than that to any man.
Excluding you.
Including me.
But you walked me out yesterday. You asked me to leave because you felt embarrassed kissing a mere servant.
I'll never feel embarrassed coming close to you. Initially, I thought I was dishonoring the spirit of my father for coming close to a palace maid. But I gave it a thought. I realized I'm in love with you. Listen, Chika, these past few weeks have been mentally exhausted. But each time I think about you, I feel better. And I want to kiss you again.
My prince, you have been talking too much. So, my prince, do you have any regrets?
Yes, I do.
You regret doing it right?
I should have done this a long time ago, before now. I can't believe I had a treasure right in front of me, but I refused to recognize it. I deserve a punishment.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, and your punishment is going to be a marital jail term with me for life. My prince, any attempt for an appeal will be outrightly dismissed, so you know.
That's a great punishment. QT has charged, Your Honor, so tell me, when is this jail term starting?
As soon as the requirements are met.
You know, my father would have given his blessings if he was alive.
Your father?
Yeah.
A great man and king he was.
Yes.
And I am certain he was a great father too. I believe his spirit lives in you. All you have to do is to be strong and make sure you become that great man he wants you to be.
My fear is my father's legacy grows on trees. Can I ever fit into his shoes? Will I ever measure up to his great standards and achievements? Am I not too small?
My prince, of course you are not small. You are not small at all. Have you forgotten? A fruit does not fall far from its tree. My prince, a lion begets a lion. You were the product from your father's loins. My prince, his blood runs in your veins. All you need to do is to live and let it shine.
You make it look so simple.
Of course it is simple, my prince. Very simple. Listen, I am not saying you will not encounter challenges. Of course you will. But believe me when I say those challenges will water your garden and make them greener.
Sounds so reassuring.
You're looking so beautiful.
Am I?
Yeah, you're looking so very gorgeous. I'm not surprised a day like this will come. A place that the eye forgotten.
Come on, Ada. The way you're praising me, you're making my head so big.
I've always been seeing your beauty even before this moment.
But Ada, you've never told me all this while that I am beautiful. You're
I'm
just
telling you now, my friend. But don't worry, the whole world will soon know that you are very beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend. So,
It is okay. You're looking beautiful already.
Come.
My prince, why you stare at me like that? Prince, come.
Chika,
My prince.
when I look at you, I see beauty in its purest form. Your beauty is celestial. Come, my mother awaits you.
My prince, I am having mixed feelings. I mean, I don't know what the queen's reaction would be. Realizing that I'm the one she's been waiting for. For you to bring home all this while. My prince, I can't tell if she's going to be sad, excited, or happy. I just don't know.
Chika, you might be wrong. You'll never know how bad or fresh a man's breath is without going close to him.
Sure.
Let's go. That's one more. Careful.
Majesty. Greetings, my queen. Get up.
Mom, that's Chika.
Thank you. You are so beautiful. Believe me when I tell you this. I am highly blessed seeing this day. You're such an amazing woman with a great vision, grace woven into every step. You are nothing but a shining light. I love you. I love you, Mom, my queen. Thank you so much. Thank you for welcoming me to the royal household. Thank you, Mother. You're welcome.
Chika,
Yes.
guess what? My mother knew about you and I all this while.
Oh, I will never forgive you for this.
Mom, please kindly call one of those girls. So you get some drinks and please have a seat.
Susanna! Susanna! Please sit.
Thank you. My friend, thank you so much for...
This is unbelievable. So what's the meaning of this? So you actually contacted another doctor for this same DNA test, which Dr. Chibike already did.
Mom, please, listen to me. I suspected something wasn't right, so I consulted another doctor, just for a second opinion.
Really?
Yes.
So why fall in love with her? I mean, why fall in love with Chika when you know you still have doubts over the paternity of a child? Why? Does it make any sense to you?
Mom, the tests were done same time Dr. Chibike did his. I only asked her to hold on to hers until the autopsy is ready. Alright? Emphases are on the autopsy and not the DNA test.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Oh, officers. Welcome. Please have a seat. The doctor was just about to present the autopsy result to us before you walked in. You may proceed, please.
Thank you all. Your Majesty. This is the DNA test on Kamsi Sochu. And it states that Igwe Ikenga is not his biological father. And in here is the autopsy test and examinations on the body of the late Igwe Ikenga. And it states that...
Oh, can you please stop this bullshit already? What's all this?
Mom.
Hey, I'm not finished. Of course, we already know what the result says. Nothing unusual was found other than Basilar skull fracture, isn't it? So stop this!
Mom, please. She's here to do her job. I paid her to do this, alright? When she's done, you can say whatever you want to say. Please.
Whatever this girl has to say doesn't make any sense. Come on, all these things are preposterous.
Mom.
What's all this?
Can you carry on, please? Please.
Okay, thank you, Your Majesty. The result reveals that the late Igwe Ikenga had kidney damage. Caused by a harmful substance, ethylene glycol.
What?
I beg your pardon?
Yes.
Doctor was still waiting.
Where is the doctor that did this autopsy?
Why do you ask?
I'm shocked. How come this ethylene glycol?
Aren't you in a better position to answer that question? Go ahead. Go ahead and tell us how you miss the kidney damage and ethylene glycol in your own results and examination. Go ahead and tell us how the results before you does not recognize the basilar skull fracture. Go ahead and tell us.
I don't know. The doctor should have a better explanation for this.
Dr. Chibuike, I don't think you understand what is happening here. But I will explain to you. If it will interest you, you've been part of our investigations. And I want you to know that we have a lot of evidence against you. So, tell us how you missed the kidney damage.
Listen, we can order for another autopsy if you want, but that will worsen your situation, you know what I mean? So tell us, how did you omit the kidney damage and the ethylene glycol in your finding? Listen, we can apply force if you want, so it's your choice to make.
So it's been you. It's been you all this while. You've been the one sleeping with my husband.
Speak!
It was all his fault. Yes, it was. I tried to resist him. I said no to him countless times, but he wouldn't stop disturbing me. Your husband promised me the world. On the contrary, I was afraid to say no to him.
So you're saying that the late king is not the father of his son?
No. But he thought he was.
So who is the father of his son?
Dr. Chibike here is.
So why do you tell the late king that he was the father of his son?
Because that was the best thing to do. That was the right thing to do, detective. When I got pregnant, I didn't know what to do. And I did not want to have an abortion either. So I lied to him that he was responsible. Your husband was excited about it. Yes, he was. Then he came up with the story of telling you that the father of the baby ran away so you don't suspect anything.
All right. Let's start with the excellent glycol. Why did you use it on him?
Because I was angry. I have been enraged silently all this while. The king was a murderer who also deserved to die.
Your father was among those criminals arrested for extorting money from travelers on the highway.
But Your Highness, my father is not a criminal.
If your father is not a criminal, what was he doing with criminals?
I don't know. Maybe he was just passing by and got arrested alongside. Your Majesty, please, I am begging you. Call them. Order them to release my father. I am begging you.
Calling them is beyond me.
How?
Giving them orders to release him is beyond me.
But how, Your Majesty? How?
Well, it is true that I called for the arrest, but the state governor is interested and he has ordered that the matter be transferred to the state CID.
Same way you called for the arrest is same way you can as well call them to release my father. He's hypertensive and might die in there. I am begging you, please, Your Majesty. I don't want my father to die.
Well, that will not be very easy. But wipe your tears. I will see what I can do about it. Okay?
Majesty. Majesty, please, I am begging you. Do something.
I've said I will see what I can do, even though it's not going to be easy, but I will see what I can do. He will not die. Just take it easy. Yeah, come and hug your dad. It's okay. Stop crying now.
My father died in that detention and I swore to avenge his death. I wanted to kill the king immediately. But Dr. Chibike asked me to take it slowly, so there won't be any suspicion. That was how the anti-freezing came about.
So you actually killed my husband because of your criminal father?
My father was never a criminal. He was only a man trying to survive, to earn a living. The criminal tag was placed on his head by your late husband, and he died as a result of that. He who kills deserves to die.
My husband didn't kill your father.
His actions
your
did.
score.
His actions did.
Are you saying you do not have any remorse about your actions?
No. I only felt pity for the prince. A little remorse. After I fell in love with him.
Okay.
So, I'm trying to understand something here. The antifreeze you put in his food was already killing him slowly. So, why the oil? Why did you kill him with the oil? Did someone pay you to do that?
No one paid me, my prince. I suspected he found out about my son. So I needed to do what had to be done.
No, not tomorrow. You see, my son is coming in tomorrow and I will have a lot on my plate. I will ask her to bring the boy the day after tomorrow and I will collect sample for the DNA and keep them for you. See, I am not using my family doctor for this because I don't want anybody to know about it. You understand? Yes, so I am not sure, but I just want to find out if that boy is really my son. That's why I'm doing this, okay? All right, thank you. I just hope that this is not true. Otherwise, I'll so deal with her.
Hello. I'm not in for the pleasantries, please. There is trouble. Listen, there is fire on the mountain. His Majesty found out that our son is not his. Yes. I overheard him saying it to somebody over the phone when I was going to his chambers. You're not even getting it. He wants a complete DNA test done. And if that happens, we are doomed. Listen, I am confused and in serious danger here. I don't even know what else to do. I don't know how to handle this.
Why will I not panic? If you're in my shoes, of course you will panic. Okay, I am calm. Yes. 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 Listen, from what I heard, we only have until tomorrow to do something. Okay. Yes, I heard you. Okay, bye.
We decided to kill him in the morning because that was the only time we had. Considering the fact that Prince Ebuka will be coming back, and that might limit my time in his chambers. He was going to die anyways, and that made my decision easy. The king loved my son so dearly that he placed me on monthly salary with other benefits. So I knew all hell would let loose should he find out he wasn't the father of my son.
I loved you. I loved you like my own daughter. Though you are a maid, you never lacked anything. I gave you freedom more than every other human in this kingdom. I saw you through university. I even did a mugu for you, remember? Yet you hurt me badly. You were actually sleeping with my own husband. As if that wasn't enough. You killed him. Not minding how this woman who has shown you nothing but love will feel. Gosh.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Yes, I am. Inasmuch as I feel a little bit, I don't know, but there is this joy in my heart, knowing that you feel the pain, the exact same pain my mother felt when your husband killed my father. I am sorry.
You're sorry? She's actually sorry. You are sorry. What will sorry do for me? I'm asking you, what can sorry? Will sorry call me honey? Will sorry tell me how beautiful I look each day? Will sorry be my son's father? Was sorry show me love? Was sorry make love to me? No! Sorry can't do anything. I even accepted you into my family to be my son's girlfriend. Even though you were a maid, it didn't bother us. It didn't bother me. A prince fell in love with you. And a queen accepted you wholeheartedly. You will pay for this. I'm sure you know you will pay for it. I swear with every everything in me, you obey.
Gentlemen, she belongs to you now. Charge her to court.
Mrs. Chika and Dr. Chibike, you're under arrest for the murder of Igwe Ikenga. And you both have the right to remain silent, for whatever you do or say will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state will provide you with one.
That you have love, but you don't want to receive it. 'Cause you are a girl on a mission. Oh. I understand what you've been through. Life is not fair, you have to know this. Karma will come for everybody, and you won't have to lift that finger. Oh, you should let go. Justice will come for you. And that you are. You should let go. There is no getting this fight. 'Cause this fight is bigger than you. There is no getting this fight. It's revving.
A victory for me. You all know that I was accused of killing Igwe. I have been frequently questioned like a common criminal. I had sleepless nights over this issue, why the perpetrators are roaming around. You can see.
Oh no, I understand how you feel about this. And I apologize for your hurt. But I want to state clearly here that you were never accused of killing Igwe. You were only suspected of being involved. And that is justified. And I'm sure you know why.
Ichia, I know you will never be on my side. But that notwithstanding, I don't have time to answer your question. I will save my energy for the reason of this gathering. We all know that our constitution states clearly that a king must present his successor on or before his 27th birthday. And failure to do so will amount the kingship moving to another qualified family.
Thank you, no. You are right about the kingship moving to the next qualified family. Because the king couldn't perform the crown prince rituals. And we all know that the next qualified family is your family. But there are clauses to this.
Yes, the clause is that the next candidate must have an heir if he's above 40 years of age. As the kingship remains where it is with specific sacrifices. But we all know that the owner has an heir.
There is a constitution to this. And I would permit me to read out this constitution.
You are gone. I'm not waiting.
Constitution states, Article 4, Section 1, and in the case of rotation of kingship, the new candidate for the throne, if he is above 40, must have an heir.
Okay.
Subsection 3 any heir that is involved in any criminal activity inside or outside the community shall be disqualified by the cabinet. And the candidacy of his father will be annulled. In this case, the current ruling family will retain the kingship with some specific sacrifices under Section 5, subsection 2 of this article.
Yeah.
That is the constitution.
Yeah. What are you driving at? Has my son been involved in any criminal activity before?
Ichie, I was going to ask the same thing. We all know that you has a son who has been living in Canada for years. And he has not been convicted of any crime before.
Niche, it might interest you to do that. Okechukwu, Onowo's son, who has been living in Canada, is in prison. He has been there for 2 years for a drug-related offense. Onowo here has kept it away from us. It is very disheartening that a man of his position will want to ascend the throne with such deception. Let him refute my claims if I am wrong.
Oh no. Oh no, say something.
By the power vested on me, as the Onowu Abakuribe of Awalite Kingdom, I hereby crown you Igwe Chukwuebuka Ikengoko, the Awele II of Awalite Kingdom. Eke, Ori, Aho, Nkwo, this is your staff of authority.
You shall subdue kingdoms.
It's time.
The quest for revenge is consuming you. What do you seek? What do you want? Your heart is heavy, unforgiveness in you. You cannot sleep, you cannot rest. Don't you know that this quest is so dangerous? So many has come and gone. Don't you know that this quest is so dangerous? But you won't give up. Oh no, no, no.